3 tricks that we use in a restaurant in Indian food box, which you can also use in your restaurant. Number 1, the salt or the basic commodity trick. Guys, what we do here, instead of buying some item from the wholesale market, we just buy from the grocery store. They are sometimes much more cheaper there instead of buying from big companies. You just need to order like you have to buy it from there once every week. Depending on how much you need, we can save good amount of money. From there, you can buy salt, sugar, flour, or soda, whichever item you need. Second is go paperless. What you can do here, you can try to save paper, and you can use laminated paper and use it for taking orders for the restaurant, or you can write orders on them. At the end, you just need a little bit water, tablecloth, just wipe it off. It will be super easy to remove and you will save money on paper. It's little money, but still it will go a long way. Last but not the least, please listen to your co-workers or employees who are working with you in the restaurant. Guys, this is very crucial if you would like your restaurant to go big in the future. What our colleague said to me in the restaurant, guys, can you please remove avocado and cauliflower? Because sometimes you are not able to sell salad all the time. And avocado and cauliflower are one of the most expensive items if you are planning to have it on the menu card. So what we did, we have started making the salad without avocado and cauliflower, and we are making without it. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks a lot for watching my video.